Why is being cut off becoming the norm? And the return of the Bonehead Award.
Let's start with some red light violations.
Notice that no one stops before turning right.
Whoa, Nelly!
If you plan to make a quick right-hand turn after turning left, you really should start out in the outside lane.
In America, we mostly drive on the right side of the road. Mostly.
The driver of the white van is a bit impatient. The tractor-trailer turns right despite being in an improper lane to do so. In case you hadn't noticed, that's a right turn only lane. Back at our right turn only lane, and at least one out of the three got it right. Don't you just love bicyclists, not to mention scooter riders? Every time I see this red light, I wonder if my car is possessed or under the control of Skynet. Don't you just love to hate drivers like this? And less than 2 minutes later,
Gore point violation.
and insult is added to injury.
Gore point violation. I cringe every time I see this.
It's not a good idea to ride your bike down the middle of the road at dusk.
Now for a cutoff montage.
Notice that this driver hits the brakes while changing lanes. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's illegal. Huh, I wonder why they pulled over so soon. Notice all that empty space in the lane next to me? It's a sure sign you're dealing with a lane vulture. I'm sure this driver was saying,
"Why are you blowing your horn? I had my blinker on."
and for that, I'm giving you a Bonehead Award.